don't see nothing.
Let's go up and...
All right, what I did right now, I did the automatic, and if you guys could hear it, it actually feels like a neck massage where the hands are jabbing like in the back. It's coming down slowly and it rubs your neck. So another option is that you could put the heat in for those that have, like, you know, stiff necks, and you could hear the air pumps picking up your neck and then bringing it back down. Right now, as I see it, I feel it like it's pressuring a little bit right in my neck, and then it brings it back down. And at the same time, you feel the soothing areas where it just kind of vibrates and chops it off, and then it comes down. You could hear the pumps running. You have a timer, and if you don't like some of the feeling that you have, you could always change it in here. Right now, we have 13 minutes to go. Now, I choose not to do the heat. You could do the heat, and you could tone it down in any kind of pressure. If you don't like some of the actual functions that it's doing, like the jabbing or maybe the air pumps, you can always minimize those too. So you have these controllers in your hand, many different options, and if you hit the plus and minus, that's where you add them in every single section. Now the steam is picking me up, but it feels soothing. It's like little massages here and there, and then it brings you up, down. It's very comfortable. Just make sure that you don't tilt your head over the actual pillow set. You have to be within its range, right? And follow the instructions prior to starting this.